Looking to keep your home renovation mess from turning into a disaster? Here's how to manage uncontrolled debris scattering like a pro. So first off, you gotta set up debris chutes if you're dealing with a lot of construction waste, especially stuff falling from higher floors. These chutes help funnel the debris straight down into containers without it flying everywhere. Next, containment fences or nettings around your site act like shields, catching stray bits before they escape to the sidewalk or neighbors' yards. Don't forget to clean up regularly, like daily or after each work session, to stop small bits from piling up and creating hazards. Also, make sure workers wear gloves and boots to handle debris safely, because sharp stuff can sneak around. It's smart to plan where trucks or dumpsters will sit so debris can be tossed directly into them without extra mess. If you're doing it yourself, keep a broom and dustpan handy for quick sweeps. And finally, communicate with your crew about keeping the area tidy. It's way easier when everyone's on the same page. One of the biggest issues with handling construction debris is not using proper containment methods, which leads to stuff flying all over and causing damage or injuries. Fix that by installing debris, chutes, and fences early in your project. Another common mistake is skipping regular cleanups. Letting trash pile up creates hazards and slows down work, so get into the routine of clearing debris daily. Lastly, poor placement of dumpsters or waste bins can make cleanup harder and more chaotic, so plan ahead where these go to catch debris right away and keep things neat. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know how to handle projects safely and cleanly. It also gives contractors a solid way to find new work and build their reputation by showing off their skills in managing big home projects responsibly.